let A, B, and C be sets, and C be a subset or equal to B. Shed the following in the Venn diagram. If we're going to do that, we're supposed to, of course, starting with A, we're supposed to separate the two. We're going to separate these two here. We're going to shed the first one here. So we have B intersection C intersection A complement. I'm going to draw the Venn diagram here and the other Venn diagram. In the first Venn diagram here, I'm going to show B intersection C, and the other Venn diagram we're going to show A complement. Now, from the equation, we were taught that C is a subset of B. So when showing this information in the Venn diagram, we have set A, then we have set B, then C is inside. It's a subset of B. So that is the shape of the Venn diagram, or that's the way we're supposed to draw it. So we have A, and there's a C and a B, like that. A, B, and C is inside B. Now I want to shade B intersection C. B intersection C is going to be B intersection C is going to be everything in C, because in C is also in B, that is B intersection C. What about a complement? A complement is everything outside A. Outside A, we're going to shade everything outside A, that is your A complement, everything outside A. We don't care about other sets, we're just shading everything that is not in A. The moment we do that, we have shown a complement, shading everything outside A, and B intersection C. B intersection C, everything that is found in A, in C and B at the same time. I'm sure that is going to be C, since from the question we were told that C is a subset of B. We were taught to shade this set here, not A intersection C and A complement separate. So now we can combine the two. Now the final shading will be, we have A, then C, then B. Okay. So since the sign connecting the two shadings here is an intersection, we need to look for the common parts that are shaded in both diagrams. So in this case here, we start checking. This part here is shaded in the other diagram. It's not shaded. This part is shaded also in the other diagram. It is shaded. That is the intersection. So the only part that is shaded in both diagram is here. So what we have shaded here is B intersection C intersection A complement. That's the way we're supposed to do it. Now the other one is this one here, which is A minus B intersection B minus C. A minus B intersection B minus C. We're going to use the same method of separating the two. So we're going to shade this in the Venn diagram and that one in the separate Venn diagram. What we mean is this, we do that, I'm going to have this one and the other one here. For this one here, we just need to show A minus B, and the other one we need to show B minus C. This is A, then there's a C inside, then B. A, then C inside, B. We do the same this side. That is C, then B. A, B, and C. Since in the question we're told that C is a subset of B. So here, A minus B. Want to show A minus B here. We're removing B from A. B from A. So when you remove this B from A, you're just going to remain with this part in A. So what we have shaded here is A minus B. We also do the same for B minus C, B minus C. If we're going to shade everything outside, that is not in C burden B. B minus C, we're removing C from B. You're just going to remain with this part here. Since we have removed C from B, this is the only part that will remain in B. After doing that, we need now to show this in the Venn diagram. The final question. In the question, we're told to shade this A minus B intersection B minus C. This is what we're trying to show now. So since that is what you're trying to show, you do that. This is A, B, and C. The sign connecting the two shadings here is the intersection. So the intersection is connecting the two. If the intersection is connecting the two, you need to look for the common parts that are shaded in both diagrams. So when you look at this one here, this part is shaded, there it's not shaded. This part is shaded, there it's not shaded. This part is shaded here, there it's not shaded. So when you look at these two diagrams, we don't have a part that is shaded in both diagrams. This means that the intersection here is an empty set. So this is A minus B intersection B minus C will just be without any shading inside. You just draw the Venn diagram. You have shown this information in the Venn diagram because this here is an empty set. That's the way you're supposed to do it.